Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your phone and opening the Contacts or Phone app. This gives you direct access to the person's record. Once the contact is visible, tap their name and choose Edit or the pencil icon to modify fields. Make sure you have the image ready in Photos or Files so you don't interrupt the flow. If prompted, grant permission to access photos. Doing this now prevents later permission pop-ups and keeps the process smooth. Now you're ready for the photo selection step. Next, choose Add Photo or Change Photo and decide whether to take a new picture with camera or pick one from Photo Library. If you take a photo, aim for even lighting and a neutral background. If you pick one, use crop controls to center the face. Once framed, pinch and drag to adjust the crop because collar images often display as a circle. Confirm the selection. This writes the image to the contact and ensures it will appear during incoming calls. Finally, tap Save to commit the new photo to the contact. Once saved, make a quick test call from another phone or ask the contact to call you to verify how the image appears during an incoming call. If the picture does not show, restart the phone first. That often forces the refresh. If problems persist, reassign the photo, ensure the contact's account sync, iCloud or Google is active, and then save again. Sync issues are the most common reason an image reverts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.